everybody. Today we are going to be talking about questions and answers as regards my weight gain. I think it's due for me to do a weight gain update. So let's start. I wrote everything on a piece of paper because I'm using my phone to record. So if you're new here, I am Light. My name is Tantribe Diana, hashtag Aiamlight. And the first question is going to be, what were you weighing before? Okay, so when I posted I've gained weight, if you look at me, I'm not so fat. So some people wonder what my weight was before. Okay, so as of December last year, December that's 2021, I was weighing 48 kg. And then in January, I started eating more, having a better diet every day, and less stress also. And then I started my weight gain journey in March 10th, and then I was 50 kg. So at the end of my weight gain journey, I was weighing 54.5. That was the last weight I saw on the weighing scale. And then now, which is the next question, like what do you weigh now, is 59.6. So I've gained 9.5 kg. Okay, the next question is, do you want to gain more than 60 kg now? I honestly don't know. It's very funny to say, but I honestly don't know. I think that I just want to be like this. I don't want to pass 60 kg because I don't want to get to 62. Does this thing happen to you when, let's say, you get some improvement and you just want to stay on that improvement for some time, enjoy it in the moment, and then after some time you now want to elevate? I think that that's where I am right now. I just want to have this exact weight and maintain it for some time. Then if I want to step ahead or step up my weight, then I'll do that. The next thing is that, what differences have you noticed now? Obviously clothes. I have noticed a different look when I wear some clothes, and then there were some kinds of clothes that I couldn't wear before and they look normal on my body, but now I can wear almost anything. But it doesn't mean that there are still not some kinds of clothes that bring out my weight gain or bring out like really beautiful features about my body. Just know that even though you're slim or fat, there are some kinds of clothes that bring out your body in a good way. Okay, so if you can wear those type of clothes a lot of times, you'll be doing yourself some good. The next question is, do you have any regrets? Honestly, I don't have any regrets. At first I was thinking maybe if I gain weight my belly is going to be big or something, but if you go to the gym when you're trying to gain weight, blood is going to circulate to the part of your muscles or your body where you are actively working out on. Like if you walk out and you're doing, let's say, thigh exercises, blood is going to get to those your thighs, and then all the nutrients are going to get there, and then it's going to get bigger. So just choose which part of your body you want to work on, and then you eat enough, eat a lot, and then you work out and grow the part of your body that you want to grow. When I was working out upper and lower body so that I'd get maybe that symmetric figure eights or something. I don't know how they call it, but figure eights, that's what I wanted to do. And also because I think here too I was very slim, so I wanted to build up and down. And then it also helps you to own the muscle or the weight that you've gained. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense. The next one is, what disadvantages does weight gain have? I think if your BMI is low, my BMI was low. If you gain weight, it's an advantage. It's more, anyway, everything has advantages and disadvantages, but I have not seen the disadvantage as regards my gaining weight. I think it's an advantage. I gained weight because I wanted to increase my BMI, so it's an advantage to me. Except maybe if your BMI is normal and then you want to gain excess weight or something. I don't know. I don't think I have any disadvantage, even though there's an advantage and disadvantage to everything. Then what else? Any advice for people who want to lose weight? Okay, the first thing I would say is that you should cut down your diet. It is scientifically proven that if you cut down your diet, you're going to gain, you're going to lose weight. If you increase your diet, increase calories, you're going to gain weight. So that's it. Just go to the gym, so you exercise, so you burn calories every day, okay? And then make sure that you eat less than you normally do. There's a calorie calculator, so calculate according to the weight that you want, your weight goal, okay? Okay, and then eat less. Sometimes it is easier said than done, but then to make it easier, just change your diet with, let's say, fruits. Don't eat bread, don't eat rice, don't eat yam, like don't eat carbs, proteins, like that. What you need to be doing is, maybe if when you're very hungry, you start, like you've stayed without food for a long time, you can't bear, just eat an apple or something. Just eat something healthy, or maybe vegetables, just so that your belly will have something for its acids to munch on. The next thing is that, what do you consider yourself fat now? No, I don't consider myself fat. I feel fat sometimes because of how my body used to feel before. I feel a lot more heavier or bulkier. But if I look in the mirror, like head to toe, I'm not fat because I'm tall. Should I say I'm medium height for a girl? So even though I've gained weight, it's not showing as much. I'm just a normal slim girl. Before, I used to be a skinny or thin girl, but now I'm just like a normal girl, slim. Okay, I'm not fat in any shape or form. And then, how do you feel about your weight before? Like when I was weighing that, I knew I was very slim. I knew I was almost the slimmest I have been since in my whole life, I guess. But I do see it as, I do not feel bad about it. I only feel some type of way now when I look at my previous videos where I was very slim. I'm like, geez, how come I didn't see that it was this bad? I knew it was bad, but I don't know it was very, very bad. Okay, so now when I see my videos, I'm like, wow, you were very slim. So that's it. Then the next one is, do you still work out or go to the gym? No, I don't work out. I don't go to the gym. That's because I'm not eating enough calories to be able to spare some that I'll burn at the gym. When I was going to the gym, I was eating excess calories to accommodate the amount of calories that I would use burn in the gym, so that I'll have enough remaining to still add weight. So if you're not eating enough, don't go to the gym. You're just burning calories. You won't gain weight or something, right? It's just counterproductive. That's the word. It's just counterproductive if you're not eating enough and then you're going to the gym. You have to eat if you're going to the gym, okay? Then, how have you maintained the weight? Okay, so since I'm not going to the gym, I eat, but I don't eat excessively. But then there are some days that I realized that I wasn't able to meet up, I wasn't able to eat enough. Let's say I was very busy, or I was stressed, or I realized that I had a lot of activities, so I wasn't really focused on eating frequently or eating well. So maybe I might have eaten maybe twice or maybe 3 times, but the meals weren't big enough because I don't know how to finish plenty meal all at once. I try sometimes and I fail sometimes. So what I do is that any day I'm free, I do my 2 hours eating thing. I don't eat like that 2 hours anymore, but let's say every 3 hours I try to eat something, or every 4 hours. When I'm less busy, I'm more mindful of eating very frequently, or trying to like cover up for days that I was really stressed. I think that works. Okay, and then I also try to reduce my stress. So if I'm at home that day, I try to just relax. I don't try to over clean, I don't try to overwork or do anything. Everything I do is in bed. I don't know if it makes sense. Okay, then the next question is, give few points again on gaining weight. Okay, so if you want to gain weight, the first thing, you must eat. Calculate your calories, calculate how many calories you need to eat per day, and then calculate those calories based on the foods you're eating, and then eat. That's the number one thing to gain weight. And then to gain the weight right is to go to the gym. I think that's just basically it. And then take supplements. If you have fast metabolism, you can take a supplement that would help reduce that. I think I think that the supplement I was taking, people were messaging me about it, like what supplement. I did not mention the name of the supplement, and yes, that was on purpose. Like, that was on purpose. I actually cut out that part because I wanted people to just look for a supplement that maybe had potassium iodide, and do not actively go to look for a specific supplement, like let's say that was the end all and be all, or that was the only thing. Eating is the most important. Eating is most important, but that one also helps. Okay. The next one is exercise important or a must in gaining weight? As I said, it's not a must. It just helps you sculpt your body right, and then you must eat more than you normally would before you go to the gym. The next one is, I'm skipping some, okay, because I've already repeated some things on it. So what can you say to people who have tried multiple times and failed at gaining weight? I have tried multiple times at gaining weight and I have failed. But then one thing is that the more you try, the more you understand what is working and what is not working, number one. The second thing is that sometimes you're trying at the wrong time. Like, I knew I was slim then, but I knew that even if I was eating, I had more stress and I did not have the time to eat, and I couldn't like stop work and be eating every 2 hours. So I waited for when I was home and I had the time. So when you have the opportunity, grab it and make sure you eat. And it's also another thing, like money, because it took a lot of money for me to meet up my protein intake and everything, even though I had like food from home. But I cannot go and be eating all the chicken in my father's house, so I had to buy, okay, to supplement and things. So it's money, it's time, and it's just opportunity, the right time. When you have the time to do all that, okay, just grab it. Then the next thing is, I think that's all. I think that's all, because the next one is just like, I just wanted to talk about someone or to encourage you guys, because some people might say it might not work for them or things, but it actually works, because someone watched my video and then she has gained 10 kg. She sent me proof and her BMI is now 23.5. I don't even think my BMI is up to that. so just know that it works. Everything that I said in that video, I did them. It worked for me. It will work for you. Just try your best and then do them. Okay, I think that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I just try to scramble everything. I just make sure I do a video and post. So please like, please comment, please share. Like, tell me things that you know have worked for you, or things that might not have worked for you. I might be able to help you say something that would, let's say if you give me something that you did that didn't work, I might be able to guide you on a better thing. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching, and see you in my next one.